Hey guys, Coach B, Becca Marino, coming to you from Fitness Inspiration Inc. in Memphis, Tennessee, with a little video titled 9 Easy Ways to Protect You, Your Brain, and Your Private Parts from EMF Radiation. All right, if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. I want to open up with a little quote from Nora Gedgaudus because I think it kind of highlights, the significance and importance of knowing what EMF is and doing what we can to protect ourselves. Quote is, "We are surrounded by things that are invisibly impinging on us in ways that are compromising our health every day, in ways we can't imagine. Take control of what you can, all right? Take control of what you can. There's way more to health and fitness and wellness than just, what we eat and if we exercise, all right? What we put in our environment, what we expose ourselves to on a daily basis are all just as significant when it comes to influencing our health and our well-being as fitness and nutrition, all right? So please take this serious, guys. So EMF, what that is electromagnetic frequencies. Basically, it's voltage and it's radiation that comes from devices that are plugged into the wall, things that we're around every day. Examples, batteries, cell phones, Wi-Fi routers, power strips, electrical wiring, microwaves, water fountains, TVs. Most of these things we're all exposed to on a pretty regular basis. Anything plugged into the wall gives off EMF, all right? Even when you're outside trying to walk your dog and you've got all these power lines giving off EMF. We won't even touch into 5G right now. That'll be a whole different video. But it's all around us, all right? So it's important. This radiation and voltage is extremely damaging to our cells. And it's, it affects our body's nervous system function, and it's super toxic, okay? And what's so scary is, we can't see it. We don't see it. We don't know what's happening. You don't know internally, your cells are being damaged, and you're becoming at a higher risk for all kinds of, ailments and aches and pains and diseases, all right? If we stop working out and we eat all the crap, we're going to see real quick what that's doing to our body. This, unfortunately, we don't see it. So, but it's just as important, all right? There's a short list of symptoms within the text of this video if you want to check that out, but to save time, I'm going to go straight to the 9 ways that you can kind of protect yourself, all right? So number 1, avoid keeping routers in your bedroom, or at least turn them off when you're going to sleep and not using it, all right? Keep routers, Wi-Fi stuff out of any place of rest that you're going to frequent regularly. All right, number 2, turn the router off when you're not using it. Number 3, never put your cell phone in your pocket. And if you do put it in your pocket, please put it on airplane mode. Number 4, for goodness sakes, please do not put your phone up to your ear and use speakerphone, okay? Putting your cell phone up to your ear is basically shooting radiation and voltage into your brain. Guys, we don't want to do that. So please use speakerphone as much as possible. Number 5, do not put your laptop in your lap. I can't tell you how many times I used to do this until I learned, but I would sit there with my laptop in my lap, and you're basically putting your private parts in the microwave. Yep. Private parts in the microwave whenever you put your laptop on your lap. And what do you think you're doing when you're putting your pocket in here, or you're putting your cell phone up here, or you're putting your cell phone in your front or back pocket? It's the same thing. You're putting your junk in the microwave. No one wants to do that, guys. Wouldn't be good, okay? Number 6, any electrical device that you're not using, turn it off. Turn it off. It'll decrease the voltage in your house. Number 7, keep your bedroom or place of rest free of wires plugged into the wall. I know a lot of people will have their phone plugged in. You got alarm clocks, whatever. Keep TVs. Try to keep your bedroom free of these devices and wires that emit all these voltages and radiation. All right. Get rid of your microwave is number 8. I know, crazy. It can be done. I used to live with a microwave. I used to use it every day. It was my form of what I would call eating and cooking. I got rid of it. Number 9, if you're not willing to do that, at least do not stand in front of it when it's on. And if you can, leave the room while it's running, all right? And know that over time, guys, and not a long period of time, you know, that the seal on your microwave door, it wears, and that exposes you to an even higher, more toxic level of radiation, all right? So please try to get rid of that microwave. All right, so those are the 9 easy ways that you can try to protect yourself from your exposure to EMF, all right? And for the most up-to-date and credible information on this topic, you want to check out Dr. Jack Cruz and also his Cruz Longevity Center. I put the links in the video for you as well. So hope you learned something new today and you're going to apply some of these things to your life to protect you, your brain, and your private parts from exposure to EMF. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.